Wondering if the NCVI 2-in-1 electrical breast pump is the right breast pump for you? Then stick around. In this NCVI 2-in-1 electrical breast pump review, I am going to walk you through the pros and cons to this NCVI breast pump so you can decide if this is the right breast pump for you. So let's get started and take a look at some of the standout features to this new 2-in-1 pump. Now, as you might guess, 2-in-1, it actually refers to the two different styles of collection containers that you have. It comes with your traditional flange pump to bottle as well as a collection cup. I really do like this as a standout feature as it just gives you more options. And I think when a pump has more options, that's great because it helps you to better find a pumping style that best suits you. Another standout feature is its VibeFlow micro vibration technology. So this massages your breast for a more comfortable and efficient pumping session. Then the other really great feature of this is it has a powerful 4,400 milliamp hour battery. Now this is nearly twice the amount that you see on breast pumps, portable breast pumps. So it is a very powerful portable breast pump. The other great thing, if I turn this on for you, has a great LED touchscreen. It's also got this built-in nightlight, which I really do love. I think this is really handy for nighttime pumping. All right, so let's go down and take a look at some of the features in more detail. It has a powerful suction strength of up to 300 millimeters of mercury. There are 4 modes on your pump. You can easily switch between them using the M mode. So there's a massage, which is shorter suctions for initiating your letdown. There's also the longer drawn out suctions in the expression mode. And then there's a multi-tronic and a suction stimulation mode, which are variations of the shorter and longer suctions. There are 9 different suction levels. So again, you can really tailor that suction strength to find a setting that best works for you. And then one of the things that I really love is that it has an adjustable suction speed cycle. So it goes 5 different levels that you can change the speed at which your pump is pumping at, which I love. I find that this is a feature that you find on pumps like your Spectra, and it really, again, gives you that flexibility to find a setting that best works for you. In terms of flanges, now the flange on your bottle is a standard 24 millimeter. It also comes with your smaller 21, 19 and 17 millimeter flange inserts. They simply sit inside your flange and reduce your tunnel size down. This is great. I find that having these included really helps to extend your pumping journey. Your nipple size changes throughout your pumping journey, so having these smaller sizes is great to help you continue your pumping journey as you go without necessarily needing to wait and for new inserts to arrive. In terms of the cup, now the cup is a 28 millimeter diameter flange. This is great if you have a larger size nipple. It means that you can have the larger sizing. There is also the 24 millimeter flange insert for this. However, if you're wanting to use the cups and need a smaller flange insert sizing, you will need to purchase these separately. So something to keep in mind. Capacity wise, these are a 5 ounce capacity. The bottles are slightly larger at your 6 ounce. Love with the bottles too. If you're pumping straight to bottle, it also comes with your nipple. Hold on 2 seconds. and bottle top. So you can simply pump to your bottle and then feed this, if I can get the cap off, direct to your baby. Now, this is great. It makes it very easy. You can also use this for your longer term storage. If you are using the collection cup, again, the benefit is that you are hands free. However, you will need to remove your milk and pour it into either a bottle or a milk storage container. In terms of battery, you can get up to 8 sessions, pumping sessions of a single charge. So really that's enough for your multiple pumping throughout the day. If you're exclusively pumping, it's quite handy. It is a rechargeable battery, so you can have the portability with this. You do not need to be plugged in to use this pump, which is again another big benefit. I will say on the portability, it is a bit on the heavier side and a little bit more awkward. So something to keep in mind. You're probably not going to want to transport this around in your pocket. However, if you're moving around the house from one place to another or at work, this is light enough and portable enough for that. And again, has those 8 pumping sessions off a single charge, so you can use this easily in the car or work or even multiple stations at home. In terms of noise, now depending on your suction level, goes from around 30 dB up to 55 dB. So it's still relatively quiet. You may hear it with a little bit of in a quiet room, but with a bit of background noise, depending on your setting, it will be very discreet. Now, in terms of price, here's where I feel NCVI do a great job in making affordable pumps. It retails around the $149 mark. I do have a 10% discount code for Amazon. If you want to use that, I'll add it into the comments as well as the description, so you can feel free to use that and get yourself an extra 10% off, so nearly $15 off that $149. Overall, I think the inclusions that come with this, I should add, there's a bunch of extras like nursing pads, a whole pile of milk storage bags. You have the extra features like your bottle nipple. I feel like this has a lot on offer, especially for the price. There's a lot of functionality here, especially with the different speed cycle levels, the modes, the powerful suction, the VibeFlow micro vibration to help you get a more output and a more comfortable pumping session. So overall, I think this is a great pump to consider. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask and I'll do my best to answer. Cheers.